Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before we begin, please note that this video is a science fiction concept created for education and entertainment purposes only. Dinosaurs are extinct, and everything shown here is imaginary and created using CGI and animation. Now let's imagine a futuristic scenario and explore how dinosaur meat would be processed in a factory. Step 1. A futuristic discovery. In this fictional world, scientists make an incredible discovery using advanced technology and genetic research. Dinosaurs are studied in highly controlled research environments. This concept is inspired by science fiction and does not represent real-life events. Step 2. High-tech processing facility. The factory shown here is a fully automated futuristic facility. Robots and AI-controlled machines handle every task to ensure maximum safety and hygiene. Human involvement is minimal, and all operations are managed digitally. Step 3. Non-graphic meat processing. In this imagined scenario, processing is done using advanced non-graphic technology. There are no violent or graphic visuals. The process focuses on clean, controlled, and automated systems similar to modern food factories, but enhanced with future technology. Step 4. Cutting and portioning. Laser-guided machines divide the meat into standardized portions. Each portion is measured carefully for size and quality. This ensures consistency and efficiency throughout the process. Step 5. Quality control. Every product passes through digital quality control systems. Sensors check temperature, texture, and storage conditions. Only products that meet strict standards move forward. Step 6. Packaging process. The processed meat is packed using vacuum-sealed futuristic packaging. Each package includes labels clearly stating that this is a fictional and experimental product. Packaging is designed to maintain freshness and safety. Step 7. Storage and transport. The packaged products are stored in advanced cold storage units. Automated vehicles transport them for research and study purposes only. No commercial sale is involved in this fictional concept. So, this was an imaginary look at how dinosaur meat might be processed in a factory in a science fiction world. Once again, this content is not real and is created only for creative and educational purposes. If you enjoyed this concept video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.